Now that the washing is finished, it is going into the Hoover. Ow. It is going into the Hoover VTC5911NB. This more of the craft of the machine. Right. I'll cupboard dry this. Go downstairs, I've got my apron. Few other things in here. I'm just gonna all in there like so. It fits there. Let's do such a thing. And of course, it's also got this bar pad here. Okay. Yeah, so it puts it on daily quick 30 with 1300 RPM because you don't know it may finish on time, but it could be more or less. So this really is more or less bonus footage of both. And then I just required it for whilst it's work. It's cool how you can do this while it works, is that you can change your temperature, your spin speed, and of course any of the extra stuff. So I put on extra rinse for this. So this will be running on a super short time thing now, just because of timing. But the extra rinse should wash the very small loads more thoroughly. There are no longer leave time going down to the wire, to the very wire